Hey guys, in this video we're gonna discuss how we can edit AI illusion photos relatively fast. And the very first thing you need to do is head over to a browser of your choice and search for an image which we would like. So I'm gonna search for Messi and I'm gonna use an image of him. You can use any image you would like, even your own image, that is not a problem. I'm gonna save this image. And then we have to open a photo editor and we're gonna use Adobe Photoshop. You can use any tool you would like, that is not a problem. The only thing we need to do here, we need to add a black and white filter and we need to increase the high tones. So I'm going to use curves for that. Simply drag in the value above the chart like that and lower this part of the curve. And once you're satisfied with that, you can simply save it as PNG or JPEG. Either format is alright. Then come back to your browser and search for Hugging Face Illusion Diffusion and open the first link. And here you can upload the image which you have just edited. So I'm going to select that. And for illusion strength, keep it at 1. And for the prompt, just write something which you would like the image to be. For example, I need a beach and sunset sort of atmosphere. And then tap on the run button. And now you can see the steps. That's when our image is being prepared and you have passed the waiting queue. And here we have our illusion photo editing. So that was the tutorial. That's how you edit your photos. You can play around with these settings and change the prompt if you would like. For example, I can also add palm trees here. You can also try increasing the illusion strength for about 1.5. You can see what suits your needs better. If you want the illusion to be stronger, then you certainly want to increase the value here. And now if you tap on the run button, and here we have seemingly better looking results where you can clearly see an illusion of Messi created around an image of palm trees and beach and sunset like atmosphere which we desired. So that was it for today's tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Let us know down in comments what you think. Do leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.